Hey, this is Chap Noah. I'm going to continue with our series that we're doing. It's called All Niche Website Case Study, okay? And today we're going to set up SiteKit by Google, a WordPress plugin that's for free that I told you about in the first video. That's going to allow you to track your traffic and where everything's coming from, what keywords your website is ranking for. So, like I said, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So once you have your own niche website, you can do the same thing, okay? And like I said, if you want, like I said in the last video, if you want a link to the website that I'm doing myself so you can kind of see as long I'm going to, just not in the videos, you can watch yourself and just have the URL and look at it periodically each day. You can see what I've done, okay? So here we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the WordPress dashboard area. So this is what you would do yourself. You'd come over here and look for plugins. Then what you'll do is come over here to add new plugin. And you'll come over here and click here, SiteKit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to here. We're going to click Install Now. We're going to activate it. All right, now we're going to go set everything up. So we're going to go over here to the SiteKit here. We're going to connect everything here. Okay, we're going to connect here. Continue this. Continue. Verify. This is setting everything up with Google, okay, with the console, Search Console, and Google Analytics, okay? We'll set up there. Go to Next. Setting everything up right now. We're going to go right here. We're going to pick the site right here. Here's all the information here. All right, so we're going to click Create. We're going to click again to connect it. Continue. Continue. And we'll show you here, like I said in the first video, this is the area that's going to track everything and make sure that everything is set up correctly. So to make sure you check all these right here that you agree, basically agreeing to not, doing anything that's against Google's terms, which, like I said, as long as you're doing everything correctly, you're not going to have any problems, okay? So it says congratulations for completing the setup of analytics and the Google Console setup too. So basically you can see right here, all right, that's going to take up to 72 hours for everything to be shown here. Let me go back here so you can see this. It's going to take up to about 72 hours for Google to gather information about your site. And like I said, this is a new site, so just like with your site, you're going to see no information right here. You can just click on this right here until you're ready to put AdSense on your site. We'll just do maybe later. So basically, like right here, the setups that we just went through, that's all you do. It's that simple. Everything is set up with Google. And, if you want to come up here as your site is, starting to be out there, you can look at the last 7 days, the last 14 days, the last 28 days, the last 90 days to see where the traffic's coming from. And then right down in this area, there'll be different areas that will show like what your different pages, which ones are getting the most traffic. It's going to tell you a lot of information. It's going to show the speed of your site. Then it's going to eventually show you what keywords you're ranking for. It's going to tell you a whole bunch of information to let you know if the content that you're writing is good. And then there's going to be another feature that will eventually pop up. I'll make another video for this that will show different content that maybe you should write for your niche website, okay? So this is just very basic setup, and it's going to be easy, and that's why I made this video, because I want it to be as easy as possible, because there's a lot of other plugins out there that you have to connect so many different APIs, so many different things. But when you use the SiteKit that's made by Google, okay, it's a free WordPress plugin, it's literally click, 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 and you're done, okay? So now, if you want to, like I said in the first video, and like I said, there's nothing you have to buy or anything like that. You can just watch me until the end, because like I said, I'm going to do this for the next 12 months with these videos showing you how I take this brand new allaboutdogtraining.com niche website, and I take it to getting thousands of visitors every single month and building an email list and building like your own business. So you can watch me do this and then duplicate the same thing for your own niche website. Okay. So if you want to get the WordPress plugin that I'm going to be using throughout this series, this case study, okay, it's My Content Creator Pro. It's the elite version. It is a WordPress plugin and it is very powerful. Below this video, I'll have a link there for $47 off the elite version. Like I said, it will take you right here. You know, watch this video right here and watch the other videos that explain more about how the WordPress plugin works. There's tons and tons of features that will help you with your new AI niche website, okay? So make sure you watch all the videos and learn about the different features that we have, because there's a lot and we're always adding more. So like I said, in the next video, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to start with a new video that's going to show you even more setting up of how to do your AI niche website, okay? So again, thank you so much for watching this video. And like I said, soon you will have a website like this. And like I said, in other videos, I think eventually I'll show you how to set it up just like this with Elementor. And eventually maybe I'll come up with a template that you can use. So like, let's say you set up your site and you want to have a template that's similar to mine. What I can do is eventually get somebody to create something like this that will just have, like, you know, dummy images and all that. And then basically what you can do is you can kind of go fill in the blanks and add your information there, okay? So like I said, I'm excited about this series that we're going to do, the AI niche website case study. And like I said, I'll see you in the next video, which will be video 3. So stay tuned for that, for other setting up of the niche website, okay? Thanks again for watching the video. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Struggle with WordPress content writing? Discover My Content Creator Pro, the best content writing plugin for WordPress. Create engaging, SEO-friendly content with ease. Click the link below this video to transform your WordPress experience with My Content Creator Pro, the best content writing plugin for WordPress.